Oberg was founded as a tool and die carbide shop, but has grown and diversified over the years into an array of manufacturing opportunities. Anything from container industry to downhole drilling to aerospace, automotive, medical. Most likely you've touched probably 5 things today that Oberg had a part in making the tooling that makes those components. There's other shops out there that do manufacturing, but we focus on the high precision product lines more so than just the commodity product lines. Modern equipment has proven to be an asset for us to grow.
I work on a variety of parts in the manufacturing industry. Before the GROB came in, I bounced around and ran a lot of different machines. I'll have to run the parts, full setup of all the fixturing equipment. I'll have to prove out new programs, be able to switch back and forth between all the different setups and parts. So on the GROB, setup is very easy because you have the setup station. That makes life a lot easier. You're not trying to crawl into the machine. The other thing is with the tooling, being able to just load all of your tools in the elevator, go right up into your carousel. It works really well. I might be sizing to 2/10 for size or within 5 thou true position. Whenever I'm working on the GROB, I usually have no issue at all to make my adjustments the first time through.
My favorite thing about the GROB is the palletized system and the tunnel system on the spindle. It allows us to use long reach tools without interfering in the working area. The palletized system on the GROB allows us to do multiple jobs for multiple customers and allow us to quickly swap between the two from day-to-day operations.
We have other horizontal machines, we have other 5-axis machines that we utilize, but GROB was the first combination horizontal 5-axis machine we purchased. And the palletization system is just supreme. We're able to have multiple setups set up at all times. That way we're not locked into just running one component. We can swap out, do something that's more operator intensive during the daylight, and then switch pallets out to run other components at night that are more sustainable to run on their own. From the sales team to the application engineers to the assembly tech that came in. I mean, wonderful people to work with, and being in US based, it was wonderful to be able to go visit.
GROB provided a very hands-on training out at the GROB facility. I learned a great amount and helped to set us up for success. Some of the standouts I would say for the GROB, the ability to hold large tools, that really helps us because sometimes we run very large reamers. The whole envelope of the machine really helps to give you a variety of ways to go at it. For example, some of our programs, we have it programmed to machine upside down. So that helps so much with chip evacuation and to make things more efficient. With the GROB, we've been implementing things like tool life. That way we can get more unattended time so that I don't have to be here running it all 24/7, but we can still keep the machine going.
We're at the 1-year mark of having the GROB, and it's been very dependable, able to utilize it to keep our product running well. With the addition of the GROB, we'll be able to be more automated and more lights out manufacturing capable.